course, how to become a millionaire in 10 years. Module 1, Mindset and Goal Setting. Objective, develop a millionaire mindset and clear financial goals. Key concepts, adopt a growth mindset. Believe wealth is achievable through effort and learning. Set SMART goals, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. Targeting $1 million in 10 years. Visualize success and maintain discipline to avoid lifestyle inflation. Action steps. Write a personal mission statement for wealth building. Calculate the annual savings/investment needed. For example, saving $50K/year at 8% annual return can grow to $1M in 10 years via compound interest. Read The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley for inspiration. Module 2, Income Generation. Objective, increase earning potential through multiple income streams. Key concepts, maximize primary income, negotiate raises, upskill or switch to higher paying roles. Create side hustles, freelancing, consulting or online businesses, for example e-commerce, content creation. Invest in yourself, learn high demand skills, for example coding, digital marketing or sales. Action steps, identify one skill to learn in 6 months that can boost income by 20-30%. Start a side hustle generating at least $500/month within 3 months. Network with high earners in your industry for mentorship or opportunities. Module 3, Saving and Budgeting. Objective, optimize spending to maximize savings. Key concepts, live below your means. Aim to save 40-50% of income. Use the 50-30-20 rule, 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings, investments, or stricter variations. Eliminate high-interest debt, for example credit cards, to free up cash flow. Action steps, create a monthly budget using apps like YNAB or Mint. Cut one major expense, for example dining out subscriptions, to save $100+/month. Set up automatic transfers to a savings account. Module 4, Investing for Wealth. Objective, grow wealth through smart investments. Key concepts, leverage compound interest. Invest early and consistently in low-cost index funds or ETFs, for example S&P 500. Diversify, explore real estate, stocks, or small business investments. Understand risk. Balance high risk, for example crypto, startups, and stable investments. Action steps. Open a brokerage account and invest $1,000 in a low-cost ETF, for example VOO or VTI. Contribute to tax-advantaged accounts, for example 401k IRA, to reduce taxes. Research one real estate opportunity, for example rental property or REIT, within 6 months. Module 5, Entrepreneurship and Scaling. Objective, build a business to accelerate wealth creation. Key concepts, start small. Test business ideas with low capital, for example dropshipping, consulting. Scale profitable ventures. Reinvest profits to grow. Learn from failures. Iterate quickly, and pivot as needed. Action steps, launch a micro business, for example sell a digital product within 90 days. Study one successful entrepreneur's journey via podcasts or books, for example Shoe Dog by Phil Knight. Reinvest 70% of business profits into growth or new ventures. Module 6, Protecting your wealth. Objective, safeguard your growing wealth from risks. Key concepts, build an emergency fund, 3-6 months of expenses. Get insurance, health, life and disability to mitigate risks. Plan for taxes. Work with a CPA to optimize tax strategies. Action steps, save $10,000 for an emergency fund within 12 months. Review insurance options and secure a term life policy if needed. Consult a tax professional to identify deductions or credits. Final project, your 10-year millionaire plan. Create a detailed 10-year financial plan. Year 1, 3, focus on income growth and saving 50% of income. Year 4, 7, aggressively invest in diversified assets, stocks, real estate, business. Year 8, 10, scale business ventures and optimize investments for $1 million net worth. Track progress quarterly using a spreadsheet or financial app. Resources, books, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, Your Money or Your Life by Vicki Robin. Tools, budgeting apps, YNAB, Mint. Investment platforms, Vanguard, Fidelity. Communities, join financial independence forums or local investment clubs.